Okay, let's look at multiplying of decimals. First, let's review multiplying. So 23 times 12, so you do 2 times 3, 2 times the 2, you get 46. Tic-tac-toe, then 1 times 3, 1 times 2, so 230. And then you add your two partial products, and you get 276. So now look at it. Let's look at when we're looking with decimals. So we're going to use the area model to kind of help explain this. Sometimes it's hard to understand that when you multiply two numbers, it should usually give you a bigger answer. Well, when you multiply with decimals, your answer is smaller. Your number is bigger number, but the answer is actually smaller because it makes it into a smaller decimal. So we're going to explain why. So you've got your 3/10, 30 hundredths shaded in. So remember, it's out of the whole. I've got 30 pieces times my 40 hundredths or 4/10, which I've got shaded in over here on the whole. So then you take the two and you overlap them, place them on there. So you still have here your 40 hundredths going across, and you still got your 30 hundredths going down. And then the overlapped area, the shaded region by the two colors, is your product, which would be a 4 by 3 would give you 12 hundredths. All right, so let's look at it using just the algorithm. So here's our same problem. Sorry. So I've got 3/10 times 4/10, or 30 hundredths times 40 hundredths. So we're going to take it 3/10 times 4/10. So you do 3 times 4 and you get 12. So then you just go up and you say how many decimal places are there? How many places behind the decimal? And there's 1 in this factor and there's 1 in this factor, which gives you a total of 2. So I should have 2 in the decimal places in my product, which is 12 hundredths. All right. So here's one I want you to go ahead, write the equation and solve for what this area model is showing. You're going to bring this one in tomorrow along with the two problems here. So make sure you do the area model, and then you also do 2/10 times 4/10. And then I want you to go ahead and try and see what you can do with 1 and 2/10 times 2 and 3/10. I bet you can probably figure it out. So anyway, so bring in those three problems. So these two and then the area model. Be sure you have those brought in tomorrow with the work for all three of those. The area model and then the last two. Okay, see y'all tomorrow.